Hey everyone, today we're going to learn about using the camera feature on your computer to record video. For this simple action, all you need to do is go down here to your search bar. You can go to the start menu, you can look for camera, or you can use your search bar and type in camera. The camera feature on your computer allows you to make a recording of video. You can take photos of yourself. You can also make sure to click on the video function so that you can record your video. Once you have selected video, all you need to do is take the video, push the button, and start recording. There's no countdown, so be ready for your video once it gets started. Down in the lower half of the center of the screen, you can see that there is a count going on for the length of your video. Once you're done with your video, simply select stop. And now your video has been recorded. To get to your recording, simply all you have to do is exit out of here and open up your folders to your camera. So if you go to Pictures and go to Camera Roll, you'll see your video right down here. So the best way I would say to look at it is they're all named similar, but they're indicated by date. So you see this one is 2021, August 26, and we've got some more information. The videos are in an MP4 format. This makes it readily available for you to upload to a myriad of applications. One of ours that we use the most is YouTube. Simply just to watch your video, here you go, and start recording. To half of the center of the screen, you can see that there is a count. Okay, so you see my video there. Now, to get your video, we'll talk about how to upload your video in the next segment. But that's how to use your camera feature and your recorder here on your Windows screen.